Imagine 1944, a time when the world was engulfed in war. Here, in the remote hills of Manipur, India, a fierce battle was on the brink of changing the course of World War II. This is the story of the Battle of Imphal, one of the most crucial and deadly battles fought in Asia. After taking Burma, Japan aimed to penetrate British India through Imphal and Kohima, strategic points along the Indo-Burmese border. Their goal? To cut off British supply lines, ignite rebellion, and destabilize British control over India. Success here would forever alter the war's course in Asia. Indian, British, Nepali, African soldiers and Manipuri locals fought shoulder to shoulder to defend India. For 3 grueling months, from March to July 1944, they held against the Japanese Imperial Army, masters of jungle warfare. Imphal became an indomitable fortress. The Allies, with a secure defensive perimeter, flew in essential supplies, holding their ground. The Japanese, isolated from their own supplies, battled hunger, disease, and relentless fatigue, gradually losing momentum. In Manipur's claustrophobic jungles, soldiers fought amid roaring artillery, dogfights in the skies, and terrifying close combat. It was an endurance test, a battle that history would remember as one of World War II's fiercest. By July, the Japanese could no longer sustain their advance. This defeat marked a pivotal shift, the beginning of Japan's retreat in Asia. Imphal had held, and the Allies had turned the tide. Today, the Battle of Imphal stands as a testament to courage, unity, and sacrifice. In this remote corner of India, history was made, a reminder that even the most overlooked places can change the world.